Top 5 low-calorie foods for late-night cravings, late-night snacking? Reach for air-popped popcorn. This crunchy favorite is super satisfying and only 30 calories per cup. Sprinkle some spices for extra flavor. No guilt, just crunch. Craving something sweet? Grab a handful of berries. Packed with fiber and antioxidants, they're a juicy treat with fewer than 50 calories per serving. Plus, they're great for your skin. For a creamy, savory option, try Greek yogurt. It's high in protein, low in sugar, and keeps you feeling full without the midnight regret. Add a drizzle of honey or cinnamon for a touch of sweetness. Love a quick, crispy snack? Cucumber slices with a dash of salt and pepper are refreshing and only 16 calories per cup. Dip them in hummus for an extra kick. Finally, boiled eggs are your go-to protein boost. At only 70 calories per egg, they'll crush those hunger pangs and help you sleep better.
Thanks for tuning in.
Late
If
night
you found
munchies
this
solved.
helpful, be sure to
Late
like
night.
and subscribe for more health tips